Jen here. Time for lip tip number 3. Do I really need a starter kit? I get that question so often, especially like when I would do events and people are seeing LipSense for the first time. They just want to color. That's all they want. They want to color. And then you try and explain, you know, you need the gloss, you need the remover, and people are like, do I really need a starter kit? Yes, you do. And here's why. So LipSense is a system. You have your color, your gloss, and your remover. Those 3 things create a LipSense starter kit and is your system to get started using LipSense. How does it work? Your color is what you use first, obviously. So you're going to put your color on. That's going to adhere to your lips. We learned that in tip number 2 yesterday about doing 3 thin layers of your color. The next thing is going to be your gloss. Now, why do you need the SeneGence LipSense gloss? What's the difference? Why does it have to be this one? So LipSense is a wax-free product. That's how we're vegan. We have no beeswax in our products. We have a synthetic beeswax. That and the shea and the vitamin E that are in here are going to seal your color, penetrate your lips, and get that moisture into your lip tissue. It's a permeable shea, and that's what it does. So it seals that color, and then it's going to give you that moisture. Now, other products that have wax are going to sit on top of your color, and they're going to eat at it. It's just going to eat away at that color, and then it's going to break it down. If you're using something other than LipSense gloss, that will be your experience with LipSense. The next thing in the kit is going to be the oops remover. Why do you need the oops remover? I know that there are other ways to take off LipSense. Some people have used Neutrogena bar soap, coconut oil. There's other ways to take off your LipSense, but the safest, most gentle way to take off your LipSense is with the oops remover. Now, why? Why the oops remover? It is specifically designed to take off your LipSense gently with vitamins A, C, and E. It's an oil base. It's going to break down your color without taking off your lip tissue. A lot of times what will happen is you'll use something else to take off your LipSense. If you don't have an oops or you're out of your oops, you do something else. I've done it before where I'm just lazy and it's like mostly gone, and so I just will scrub at it. Well, it's going to tear off your lip tissue because this bonds to your lips, okay? And so this is going to gently, while you put it on there, like this, it's going to gently remove your color. That is important. You want it to gently remove your color. And it's got natural exfoliators in there. So that's going to really help your color last a long time, is by taking it off effectively the night before. The biggest thing is, what if you make an oops? That's why we call it oops. Because if you make a mistake with your LipSense, it's not going anywhere. Let me show you. I've got Party Pink LipSense here. This is one of our boldest, brightest pink colors I think we have. I'm going to put this on my hand. So don't normally go back and forth, but I'm just doing this for a demonstration to show you on my hand. So it goes on wet, right? Now let's say that this is where I went and put on my Party Pink, and then it went whoosh, up my face right here. I slipped. There was a bump in the car. I was silly and doing my LipSense in the car while my husband was driving, and we hit a bump. I don't recommend doing your LipSense in the car unless you know it's going to be like a smooth road, you guys. So once your color dries, look, it's not going anywhere. How are you going to take that off? How are you going to fix that? It doesn't go anywhere. So you need your oops remover to fix those mistakes. I'm going to take the oops remover. Always put it on your finger, you guys. And now, this is where I don't want my color, okay? It's over here on this side. This is where I went outside of the lines. Okay? You see? It's gently breaking that color down. You see that? So that is going to gently remove that color so that you're not scraping away at trying to get that color off. This is the best, safest, most effective way to take your color off. Do you need a kit? I suppose you don't, but I want you to love your LipSense. I want you to love it. So if you and I just met and you bought a LipSense from me, I would want you to get the kit because I want you to love it. It's not going to do either one of us any good for you to call me in a week and say, I don't like this stuff, I need a refund. Because you're not happy, you're not getting the benefit of the long wearing lip color, and then I'm doing a refund for you, and I feel bad because I want you to love it. So, because I want you to love it, do yourself a favor. Get the kit. And you only have to get the kit once, okay? And then after that, you can just buy a color as it comes out or buy a gloss as it comes out. And so many times anymore, you guys, on a lot of these newer releases that we have with collections, they come with a free oops remover. So the oops remover is only $10 anyway, but you get it free oftentimes in a lot of the little collections that we have. I highly recommend doing the full kit. It's just better for your lips and you want the best lip care possible. Otherwise you wouldn't be watching my video. All right, guys, if you found this video helpful, if you could just please like and subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.